Alright, so started playing Flight Simulator. That's why I put this RTX 3070 in here. My wattage was going up to 550 watts, and this EVGA kept going. It never cut out on me, but the fan was going full blast. It was the loudest component in the computer. So that's why we are switching out with this Seasonic here. And you can tell this is way lighter, way heavier. The components, you can see the difference inside here. It feels like a better quality power supply, but this has surprisingly lasted a long time, and you can't go wrong with EVGA stuff. Their stuff is decent quality, and especially for the price at the time. So let's go ahead and get this switched out here.